guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing my last trying the trend video ever in my series. If you haven't seen my last couple videos where I try out popular and viral makeup looks on Instagram, you should definitely check them out. I'll be sure to link those videos in the description so you can see what I'm talking about. I did the cloud look, I did the triple cut crease, I did all those looks that were pretty much trending and viral in that specific time frame. So for this one, for this final trying the trend makeup look, I am going to be doing the Aurora Borealis, or whatever, however you pronounce it, you know what I mean, like the Aurora Borealis makeup look. And I've been seeing this makeup look floating around throughout my feed this whole past week, and it's so pretty, guys. I really want to try it out. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So this girl called Nicole Tate on Instagram, she created this look that was inspired by the Aurora Borealis. This is the look here. I'm going to actually pop it up on my screen right here. So right in front of my face, this is the look that I'm talking about. It's very pretty, very colorful. So it seems like she just did a black smoky eye, and then right around the black she like did teal green, she did blue, pink, and purple, and she like smoked it around the black smoky eye, and then she added like this green eyeliner type of thing. I don't know if I'm going to add that because I don't have green eyeliner, so I might skip out on that, but she did add like white polka dots to create like stars in that effect. And then I was also inspired by this girl on Instagram called Touched by Nelly. This is her look right here. She pretty much recreated Nicole's look, but her look really caught my eye. Like, it really pops on her skin tone. Like, this is what made me want to do this look. And then lastly, I was inspired by James Charles, who was inspired by Nicole, and he did the whole thing on his forehead, which I'm gonna skip out on that. I'm gonna do the eyes and maybe the lips. Yeah, I'll probably do the lips. That's great, like black lips with the blue. That's really pretty. I'm gonna do that definitely. If you look at his forehead, like, I don't see how he did that. That's the mountains, like all that detail. That is freaking beautiful. So pretty much I'm going to be doing just the eyes, like the whole Aurora eyes, and then the lips inspired by James. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, please just keep on watching. But before we get started, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button because I am having a giveaway very shortly, because I just hit 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for supporting me and my channel. If you were here since day one, thank you. I am very appreciated for all the love and support that you guys give to me. So thank you guys for that. So again, just subscribe if you want to be entered into my future giveaway that I'm having, and also have your post notifications turned on. To start off, I'm going to go ahead and take the P.Louise base in Rumor 2, and I am just going to take this and prime my eyes with that. Next, I'm going to be taking the Karity matte palette, and I'm going to be taking that black shade called Disturbia. I'm just going to be packing that shade onto my lid and then smoking it out. Alright, just like that, and then I'm going to blend, not necessarily blend, but just kind of smoke it out so that once I apply the colors, it's not going to be a harsh line, if that makes sense. So just like lightly smoke it out. Not necessarily blend it perfectly, but blend, like smoke it out. And by the way, this is the Karity E28 brush. I received it with my matte palette, and it's a really good brush for this type of look. Alrighty, up next, I'm going to be taking my matte palette again from Karity. I'm going to take the shade Ego, and I'm going to apply that towards the inner corner part of the smoky eye, if that makes sense, and just blend that out. Alright, so now that's done, I'm going to go into the shade Alexi in the palette, and I'm just going to like smoke that above the purple in a way, just like smoke it right above the purple and just blend that out. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Morphe 35B. I'm going to take that tealish greeny blue shade, and I'm going to apply that right next to this part of my eye, like right next to this part in the crease, and blend that out. Oh my gosh, this is looking so pretty. Guys, isn't this coming out so beautiful? Like, look at these eyes. It's coming out so freaking beautiful. Like, oh my god, I cannot, but we gotta move on before this camera dies, because my camera, like, I gotta get a separate camera battery because this camera battery just does not last long. I be in the middle of filming a video and it will die on me like an hour into the video, so I'm gonna have to get me a backup battery because I can't be doing this anymore. I can't, because I'm tired of having to charge my camera up and wait a whole hour just to continue my video. Like, is that worth it to you guys? No. So I'm just gonna have to buy another camera battery. But anyways, this is so off topic. For my last color that I'm going to be taking, I'm going to be taking the Karity palette. I'm going back into the Karity palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Wicked and mix that in with Medusa, and I'm going to blend that to the outer corners. Alright, so now I'm going to start with the stars, like the white dots. I'm going to be taking the NYX White Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to be making polka dots like all throughout the eyelids and the crease and all that, just to make that star look and effect and to make the whole Aurora look come together. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be doing my face makeup off camera just to save time, since this look is just dedicated to the eyes. So in 3, 2, 1, I'll be back with my face makeup. Alright, so I have my face makeup done. Now it is time for the lower lash line and the lashes and all the finishing touches to this eye look. So for the lower lash line, I'm going back into the Karity matte palette, and I'm taking that black shade again, Disturbia, and I'm just going to put that really tight towards my waterline. Not on my waterline, but towards the waterline, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to like lightly blend that out. I'm going to take this Colourpop gel liner. This is just a black gel pencil liner, and then I'm just going to line my waterline with that. Alright, now I'm taking that pink shade in the palette, Alexi, again, and I'm just going to apply that towards this part of my lower lash line. Now I'm switching over to the shade Ego in the palette and applying that right next to the pink. Alright, now I'm taking the teal green shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to blend that right next to that pink shade. I'm going to take the Urban Decay shadow box, since I already have this in my hand for a mirror. I'm going to take the shade Sin in the palette, and I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner. It's like a nice pinky toned, champagne-y highlight shade. Alright, for lashes, I'm taking the Goddess lashes in the style Queen Irene, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyes. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Ultra Matte in the shade Friday. And then I am going to be taking the Too Faced Melted Matte-Allic, and this is in the shade The Real Teal. And I am only going to apply just a little bit to my lips and then just like spread it out, like blend it out, kind of like an ombre lip, but not. It's kind of like I'm applying a little bit to my lips, to the center of my lips, and then I'm going to just like blend it out, kind of. So it kind of is an ombre lip. I don't know what I was thinking. It is an ombre lip pretty much. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. If you guys like this video, my final trying the trend makeup look, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to hit I guess 1.1k subscribers, and look forward to my future 1k giveaway, guys. Leave a comment down below what you think I should include in my giveaway. I would like to know what you guys want to get, because I don't want to buy stuff that you guys won't, you know, want, because that's not fair. I want to get stuff that you guys would actually want or need. So just leave a comment down below what you think I should put in my giveaway. Also leave a comment below whether you like this video or you hated it. I don't care. Leave some suggestions on some future videos, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. What else? So that's pretty much all I have to say, guys. So again, like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and that's pretty much all I have to say. Have a blessed freaking day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys. Why would you go back? See, this is why I need a new camera. It does not focus.